Hi everyone, welcome to Just Explained. Today I'm going to talk about different types of data in Java and some useful mathematical functions. So let me go ahead and create a new Java project with the name example and a class with the same name. You can do that by going to new class and then okay, so now let me go ahead and write the main method. So now, as I told you before, these two lines are the most important part of the code that a beginner should pay attention to. This public meaning means that it can be accessed through other classes also, and that it is the data is not protected, and this is the name of the class, and then everything starts with the curly bracket and ends with it. So now let me go ahead and declare some data types. Int num is equal to 40. And after each sentence, don't forget to put a semicolon, and then char later is equal to a string word is equal to apple. Okay, so int holds different integer values, and double holds decimal values, and char data type holds different letters, and it should be between this single inverted comma and this string should be surrounded by double inverted commas. And then these are not the only data types. There are more like long, but these are the basics. So now let's use a print statement to demonstrate this different data types. Okay, so remember that when you need something to get print in the output console, you need to put the words inside this double inverted comma, and then remember you should be able to discriminate between the spaces, and this plus sign means that you want something else to be printed along with the previous one. Okay, so this means that the different data types r and a space will be printed, and plus this integer type variable num will be printed, and you need a space after that. So space, or you can simply put a comma and then a space, and then plus decimal, and then plus you need a comma and then space, plus later, plus then you can put word. Okay, that's it. So now let's go ahead and run this code. Okay, as you can see, the different data types are okay. You can just put a column in here like that. You can see you can do anything you want with this code. And now let me go ahead and write some useful mathematical functions. And one more thing, you can put different comments by using two slash. Okay, like this is a print statement. You can use these comments to remember something you have written for your personal reference. Like this is a string. This does not really affect the main code. Java does not read this. And if you need to write a whole block of um, comments, then you can simply do it in this manner, and the Java ignores this, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now int random equal to math dot random times 100. Okay, now system dot outer print a random number is plus random. It's 0 0. That means I still need to do this. Now you can see different random numbers in here. This function, this math.random function, creates a random number between 0 and 1. So when you multiply it with 100, it can generate different random numbers between 0 to 100. And when you put this int before this, you can actually generate int numbers, so that you can see it's 44 right now, and when I click it again, it's 18, it's 91. You can use this code. Let me put a comment on this. Math.random generates random numbers between 0 and 1. This is one of the very useful math function. And besides this, there are many other useful functions like math.py. You can use that to replace the value of 3.1415 for the value of pi, and then you can also use math.round, and so on. That'll be all for today. Thank you. See you in next video.